Attention YouTube content creators, did you know that there's a faster way to analyze your channel's data analytics? Imagine being able to simply ask questions about your data and get instant answers. Well, sharing is caring, and I've got the perfect solution for you, ChatGPT. So let's dive right in and I'll show you how it's done. Now over to YouTube Studio, click on Analyze Data and you go right over to the Advanced mode. In the Advanced view, we have the overview of the metrics at the top, followed by the graph section and the data table. I'm interested in the metrics under the Content tab, so I'll make sure that's selected, and then I'll go over to the date period list and I'll select 2024 because my channel was created in 2024. And finally, we'll go over to Export Current View and select Google Sheets, which will save the data to Google Sheets on your Google Drive. You also have the possibility to export to a CSV file. So let's export our data to Google Sheets. And once the data has been created, it will be opened in a new tab, as you can see here. Now let's give our file a descriptive name, YouTube Analytics 2024. So the main metrics that I'm interested in analyzing in ChatGPT are the number of subscribers per video, the average watch time per video, and the click-through rate. So let's get into ChatGPT now and see how that can be done. Now over to ChatGPT, we'll go directly to the GPT store and I'll search for Data Analyst. So Data Analyst is ChatGPT's custom GPT that can help us to analyze and visualize our data. So let's start that up. So let the fun begin. So I'll enter my first prompt. So the aim of this prompt is to have a combined analysis of the main metrics. So let's send it over to our data analyst. So the data analyst needs us to connect to the data. So let me just do that now. I'll connect to Google Drive and I'll search for our file, bring that into ChatGPT and let's send it over. So let's look at the result. Let's go directly to the visuals below. Okay, so the total number of subscribers over time. We see that in the month of May, I had the highest number of subscribers, 28. In the month of April, I had about 15 subscribers. And in the month of June, I had about 10. So that's interesting. Let me just expand the chart. So this is an interactive chart. I can also change that to a static chart. Okay, so those are the different types of charts that we have available in ChatGPT Plus. Okay, so going down we have the average watch time over time. So I can see that in the month of April I had the highest average watch time. And it sort of flattened out again in the month of June because I uploaded about 2 videos per week. Sort of I decreased the number of videos that I uploaded. And finally over to the average CTR over time. So there's a gradual decline of the CTR over time. I'll have to look into more detail on that. And combining the three metrics together, we have the channel performance metrics companion. So let me just expand the chart. So next we'll analyze the 3 metrics per video. So I've got 3 more prompts to go. Let me just enter the first one and send it over. So the purpose of this prompt is to get the total number of subscribers per video of the top 5 best performing videos. So let's have a look at the results. The top 5 best performing videos by total subscribers. Let me just expand the chart. So I've got the video on the top of the list is Power BI Showcase Project. That's interesting. That got me 7 subscribers. And 5th on the list, I've got the Power BI Star Schema Design with ChatGPT for free. So that got me 4 subscribers. So looking at the 5 top best videos, it seems that Power BI content seems to be getting me more subscribers. So that's interesting. Let's move on to the next prompt. Let me just quickly paste that in. So with this prompt, we'd like to get the average watch time in minutes of the top 5 best performing videos. So let's send it over. So let's have a look at the result, going directly to the chart here. Let me expand on that. So the video that got the highest average watch time per view is the introduction to Power BI semantic model. That's interesting. That got about 4 minutes, followed by introduction to Microsoft Copilot. Okay, and then we have my access custom GPTs for free. Okay, that's interesting information here. And finally, let's go on to our final prompt. So let me just paste my prompt in. So let's have a look at the result, going directly to the chart. I'll expand on that. So the top 5 best performing videos by click-through rate. Top on the list, we have introduction to Power BI semantic model. So that means I had a very good CTR on there. That means I did something right with the thumbnail and the title. That's why a lot of people clicked on that. Followed by our data analysis with ChatGPT for free. That's interesting. Okay, so I've got some very interesting information here. So there you go. Now you know how to analyze your YouTube data with the help of ChatGPT to gain valuable insights and grow your channel. I hope you found value in this video. If so, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.